Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you on a tour of a one-bedroom suite here at Disney's Beach Club Villas. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Alright guys, so this is an amazing room here. First of all, hello. Got a nice mirror on the way in here, and a nice table to put your stuff by. And if you have a two-bedroom, you get that second bedroom. That's actually a lock-off, so by itself, that's a studio over there. We don't have that room today, so it's locked up. But if you do have a two-bedroom, that would be the entrance to the other bedroom right there. But as you come into the room, you've got this really, really nice sitting area. It almost looks like a window into the master bedroom. When we first came in last night, I thought it was, but it actually isn't. It's actually a mirror, which makes the whole room look bigger. But I love this little, it's almost like half a booth. It's really, really cool. Very efficient use of space as well. So you come in here and you've got a couch, which does pull out into a sleeper sofa, so you can sleep two people there. So that's nice. So this room would technically sleep four. I don't think there's any option for a rollaway bed, but I could be wrong. Leave me a comment, let me know if you know about that. But we also have this really nice kitchen here. Very nice size, lots of appliances. I brought my Lucky Charms, by the way. I had to have some breakfast this morning, so that doesn't come with the room. But you've got really nice appliances, stainless steel. You've got a full stove, oven, refrigerator, microwave, the whole thing. So really cool. Even a dishwasher, which is really surprising in a room this size. I had an apartment bigger than this that didn't have a dishwasher once. Leave a comment if you ever had an apartment without a dishwasher. That's fun. But anyway, you've got lots of cabinets to keep all your stuff. So if you do want to actually cook in the room and have meals in the room, we used to do that when we stayed at Vacation Club Resorts. You can do that. Or you can just keep snacks and stuff here from when you come back from the parks. And you've got this really, really huge TV here. This is amazing. It actually really sets off the entire room. And of course, we got Resort TV playing on there with all the park hours and everything. You can see I'm filming this on New Year's Day. Big thank you to the Tobins for getting us this room. And then back here to the living room again, you've got a nice coffee table here. And of course, the room does not come with the Happy New Year hat and the Epcot hat, but I had to put those on there just to kind of set off the room. Also, by the way, I forgot to mention they left the plates in a Mickey pattern here, which is really cool, a little hidden Mickey. And we're on the first floor, so we could just go right out. You can actually, a bus just passed by there, but you can actually see it's a working road over there. But what's really cool, and let me zoom in just a little bit here. Just over the horizon, you can actually see the land and Spaceship Earth from our room, so that's really cool. And that is the Soarin' building right there. The two theaters, or actually three theaters for Soarin', the original building on the left and the newer building on the right, I believe. And you can't see it as well today, but last night you could see the one of the greenhouses from the land building lit up. So that was really, really cool as well. And outside you can see what we've got here. We've got actually this patio over here, that's for the master bedroom. And then this one I'm in right now, I don't have a lot of room to walk around here in this area, but a couple chairs and things you can kind of see down the way. That's not ours over there, but again, a better view of outside. And I'm just amazed that you can see Epcot from here, that it's literally just right over the waterway. And actually you can see that little waterway that I was speaking of. I believe it goes below the building here. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but if you look at a map, it looks like it goes underneath the building. So that's pretty amazing. And then it heads right over into Epcot and all the way, I believe, to the World Showcase Lagoon eventually. So that's pretty cool. But again, I can't get over the fact that I can see the land from here and Spaceship Earth. I don't know, it's just something about being able to see the park from your room. That's even just a glimpse of it like that is really neat. All right, so let's head back inside and check out the rest of this amazing room here. Gonna close the door here. And what's really cool, by the way, I wanted to point out, you can see you've got the deadbolt lock here, but you've also got one up on top. And since you are on the first floor, that's a nice added safety feature for sure. So again, back in the really nice living room, and you can see the handles where it pulls out into a bed. I'm not gonna show you that, you know what a sofa sleeper looks like, but really neat that it kind of converts from a living space into a sleeping space. And so let's go into the master bedroom first, and then we'll check out the bathrooms. But here is the master bedroom. Let me turn on the lights in here so it's a little bit brighter. But you've got a very nice king-size bed here. So if you're just two people staying here, you've got this really amazing bedroom and you get to enjoy that. Or if you've got the kids along with you or two extra guests, they can sleep again on the queen-size bed out in the living room. So you've got a desk over here and a phone. I remember when Mickey used to call us with wake-up calls when we would stay at these resorts. And hello again, got some nice mirrors here. and a nice big TV again with Resort TV playing. So that's really awesome. One more thing I wanted to point out, and I forgot to mention in the other room, is that you've got power outlets all over the place with USB ports. So that is a big thing. I know people ask about that when we go to rooms. If you happen to forget your charger or something like that, you can definitely jump over here and use the USB ports here in the room. And over here, just real quick, while we're talking about those, they had several of them as well underneath of the main TV. So that is really nice as well. I believe you can even hook up video games and stuff over here if you can find all the hookups and things if your kids bring games to play at night. But again, already still 4 power outlets, 4 USB ports, so plenty of places to charge your devices. Disney really thought of that. And I've been in rooms that didn't have that, so I really do appreciate that added touch there. And a big dresser where you can put your things, a really nice chair to kind of just sit and read, and really great artwork as well over here. So that's really nice. And then you can see, again, pretty much the same view over here as it was over there. So you can kind of see the land and Soarin' over there. And again, the nice little sitting area outside. So let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. By the way, there are 2 more USB ports over there by that particular lamp. So a lot of different places to charge your devices. And so here we are. The bathroom's split up into several different sections here. You've got this room, which is kind of the sink and tub room, I guess I'll call it. So you've got this beautiful tub over here and a nice, really nice picture there on the wall. I've put some of my towels up here just to dry, but very nice area here. And then in here is kind of like a utility closet. Not, you know, not the most glamorous part of the room for sure, but you do have, a lot of people want to know about this, you do have a safe. And of course you do have a vacuum. I'll switch over to the regular camera so it's not too dark, but some people ask, well, why would you want a vacuum on vacation? But you know, if somebody makes a mess accidentally, it's kind of nice. Like if one of your kids drops something, you don't want to be walking on crumbs the rest of the day and you don't want to wait for housekeeping or mousekeeping, as they say. It is nice to have that vacuum there. You don't have to use it. Of course, they will do it, but there's only certain days they come in. So definitely, by the way, there's your laundry basket because we do have a washer and dryer. So moving on into the rest of the bathroom area, we have another sink and a nice stand-up shower here. Really nice, lots of room in here. The weird thing about this shower was that when I opened the door to turn on the water, it kind of sprays outside the shower, so be careful. I got wet and didn't realize it. So that is, and I couldn't turn the head of the shower down, so that's just the way it's designed. But so be careful when you turn it on, it does spray right out the door. And then you have the little toilet nook in here, which is actually kind of got this little extra space here just based on the way the room is designed. Really neat little pictures on the wall over here. And lots and lots and lots of towels. So that's basically it. Let me go over here and show the washer and dryer, because I hadn't shown that yet. It's just right off the main, if you're wondering again, we're right off the main living area. So here is the washer and dryer. So it's a stackable one, which really saves space. They left you some they left you some laundry detergent, I should say. And that's it. So I'm sure there's dish detergent in here too, but you'd want the laundry detergent to do the laundry. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that tour. Very informal, not chopping out any of my mistakes or anything like that, but just really appreciate the Tobins for letting us stay here. And I'm so glad that I got to tour this room for you guys. It's an amazing, amazing place. So be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Leave me a comment. Have you stayed here or do you plan to stay here? Let me know. All right, so that's all for now, everybody. Be sure to check out our awesome sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best and free vacation planning advice. Also, if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida, talk to Victor Naraki at CelebratingFlorida.com or Facebook.com/NarakiRealtor and tell him that Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.